Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. We will go through the overview of the project, which is powering the healthcare digital transformation with AI. So why this is important and why it matters. The total costs of chronic diseases in the US is equivalent to almost 1/5 of the American economy. The chronic health problems and diseases not only costs the individuals but also puts a massive burden on the US economy. 6 in 10 adults in the US have a chronic disease, and 4 in 10 adults in the US have 2 or more of these chronic diseases. Of all the chronic diseases, coronary heart disease, CHD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, stroke, chronic liver disease, diabetes and chronic kidney disease, CKD, are the leading cause of death and disability and leading drivers of the nation's $3.3 trillion in annual healthcare costs. Let's take a look at some of the statistics. The total direct costs of chronic diseases in the US is $1.1 trillion. By further breaking it down, you can notice that the chronic diseases such as diabetes, cardiovascular and Alzheimer's diseases top the chart with a total cost of is $670 million, followed by arthritis, cancers and other conditions. Here are a few supporting facts that explains the current situation. Hypertension, high blood pressure, dyslipidemia, and osteoarthritis are most common chronic conditions. 84 million are pre-diabetic, 90% of them don't know they have it. Obesity is by far the greatest risk factor contributing to the burden of chronic diseases. Diabetes, Alzheimer's, and osteoarthritis are the most expensive conditions. Increasing trends in the prevalence and costs of chronic diseases in US are projected to continue well into the future. Now let's look at where AI is already being adopted in healthcare industry. As you can see, every line of business has adopted AI, with service operations and product and/or service development having a larger share. While BPO apps team's focus would be on service operations and sales and marketing, the CTO innovation team focus areas would be on product and/or service development and risk line of business. Here you can see some of the industry initiatives that are powering the healthcare digital transformation with AI. To name a few. NIH partners with WellCare and Wealth for the new program that rewards New York Medicaid members for managing hypertension. Z Omega launches Jiva opioid AI. This solution helps identify more of population at risk for opioid and backs it up with a complete program for care management. Primero Blue Cross and other blues apply artificial intelligence to guide better care. Anthem Blue Cross joins AI for Health Affiliation Program as initial founding member. The collaboration is focused on researching and developing AI technologies to address critical issues in healthcare and much more. Let's take a brief overview on the AI model. The salient features of the AI model are: predictive model for type 2 diabetes prediction, chronic disease progression, predictive models of chronic disease like stroke, pulmonary, kidney, arthritis, liver and neural diseases prediction, comprehensive visual dashboard that summarizes and organizes predictive results into key metrics, cloud-based and scalable software as a service, foundational data platform supporting the AI and visual dashboards, API-based integration to fetch data from various data sources. Let us understand the high-level solution now. The AI model solution involves 4 steps. These are data ingestion, curation and harmonization of data, disease prediction through AI model, and output visualization through data visualization application. For data ingestion, we gather data from multiple sources like from patient, medical claim, pharmacy claim, health check, lab, coverage policy, encounter, procedure and condition provider. The abundance of data ensures that our AI model has enough data to learn, predict and validate the outcomes. We have used state-of-the-art technology to build our AI model. To name a few: PostgreSQL as a database source, Python as programming language, sophisticated Python libraries like Theno and TensorFlow, and Apache Superset data visualization tool to visualize the output. Also, we ensured that the techniques used to build the model are the powerful algorithms like Bayesian, long short-term memory, Markov chain, Markov jump, noisy or Bayesian network, random walk, Metropolis, etc., which are available through various Python libraries. Involvement of these components and techniques ensures that we are predicting and obtaining appropriate result through our AI model. Here are a few highlights. Timely actionable insights to improve patient care. AI models trained and validated with larger volume of data and multi-payers data. Complete interpretability of AI model prediction. Built on FOSS technology components. Modern technology architecture that integrates payer, provider, and other data. Connects the dots between disparate sources of health data. So how can we stay competitive in the market? How our solution is different from others? We are first in industry to do chronic disease prediction using explainable AI with large datasets, multi-payer, that bring together provider with payers and pharma. Our model results are reviewed by an expert in the field to validate the effectiveness of the outputs medically. Our models are trained with good balance, that is, low bias in data prediction and low variance difference in output. This is not it. Our models are integrated with data visualization app to accurately report quality and key metrics. There is complete visibility on the AI models by ensuring the explainability of our models and are expandable to global level. Finally, our model facilitates the move towards value-based healthcare. NTT Data Services partners with clients to navigate and simplify the modern complexities of business and technology, delivering the insights, solutions, and outcomes that matter most. As a division of NTT Data Corporation, a top 10 global IT services and consulting provider, we wrap deep industry expertise around a comprehensive portfolio of infrastructure, applications, and business process services. Why NTT Data Services? More than 50 insurance organizations served, with support for 65 million policyholders. More than 14,000 healthcare associates and more than 6,000 healthcare health plan associates globally. More than 100 million claims processed annually, with 99% of claims processed within the service level agreement. More than 1.3 million enrollments per annum, with 98% of changes processed within 48 hours. More than 11 million calls handled annually, and approximately 310,000 items audited each year.